Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're taking a closer look at LWEX Exchange, an online currency exchange platform that's gaining some attention. If you're wondering whether LWEX is legit or just another scam, this review will break down what you need to know based on research and user feedback. LWEX Exchange offers services primarily focused on currency exchange, promising competitive rates and quick transactions. According to their official website, they emphasize security and customer support to provide a smooth exchange experience. Their platform claims to support multiple currencies and aims to cater to both individuals and businesses needing reliable currency conversions. Looking at Trustpilot, LWEX has a rating of 3.7 stars based on 69 reviews, with about 63% of those reviews being 5-star. Positive reviews or positive users highlight cases where the LWEX team, particularly a representative named Tony Swift, helped customers reclaim locked funds, which suggests some level of support and responsiveness. However, there are red flags to be aware of. Some users report a lack of transparency and describe their experience as suspicious, with one calling it a possible Ponzi scheme. This kind of feedback means you should approach LWEX with caution, especially if you're dealing with large amounts of money. Quick disclaimer, this review reflects on my personal opinion and research. So, what's the final verdict? LWEX or LOX Exchange shows mixed signals. While many users have positive experiences and good support, concerns about transparency and some negative reviews suggest it's not risk-free. If you decide to use LOX, make sure to start small, verify all details carefully, and keep track of your transactions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.